This is Chef K. In case you don't know me, this is your first time watching. This episode, guess what we're doing, guys? Stuffed chicken, okay? So, listen, I know all you guys out there think you know how to make good stuffed chicken, and it's cool if you don't know how to make good stuffed chicken. Well, today, I'm gonna teach you. For today's dish, simple, easy ingredients, okay? The chicken, we'll start with that. For the chicken, pretty basic. You're going to need some Kamalta olives, all right? So, some general seasonings. Go ahead and get you some red pepper flakes, Himalayan sea salt, and some pepper. That's about it. And, if you're smart, like I know you are, then you'll go online and you will get yourself a nice bottle of this main ingredient. Ding! Okay. Once you make a nice clean incision, you come on back, pull skin back, and bam, there you go. A nice butterfly. Take our olives, we're gonna chop those up, and then we're gonna put them inside. And make sure you got it stuffed in there really good, okay, guys? So you just wanna push it down and push it back as far as you can. I don't know if y'all can see my fingers coming up in here. And what you wanna do is take a little bit of oil, get it on your fingers, and you just want to line the edge of your chicken all the way up, top and bottom. As I said, we'll take the chicken, we'll put this skin side down into our cast iron skillet, get a good sear on the top of this chicken. Flip it over. Once you flip your chicken over, then you're gonna put it in the oven. All right, so we've done that, and I've got a piece already. It looked good too. You hear that sizzle? Ooh, look at that. That look good. I'm sorry. I'm about to eat this, okay? I'm messing with that. This is what we're gonna do. Real easy. Take your Brussels sprout, cut off the bottom. Okay? That's all you gotta do. Cut off the bottom. This is simple. Alright? I'm trying to give them a good rinse. Throw out that excess water. Alright. We got a pan here. Put our Brussels sprouts in the pan, add a little butter, get them on the stove, get them cooking down a little bit, and then we'll start working on our potatoes. Cool? Cool. Red mashed potatoes, they cook faster, and you can leave the skin on. I think just about every dish goes with red potatoes. I could be partial. I don't know. It could just be me, but I mean, it is my show, so I can say whatever I want. Add a little butter, a little salt. Next thing you know, perfection. Perfection. All right, perfect consistency, ladies and gentlemen, perfect consistency. I think we're just about done. We're gonna go ahead and plate this up for you real quick. And as I said, I got my amazing bechamel that we have made. It's a nice white cream sauce. Goes perfect with fish, chicken, I would say any poultry. Let's go ahead, put our white sauce down, put a little potato down for you. Okay, and now our Brussels sprouts. Now these look amazing. You can't tell me those don't look good. Look at that. Tender, beautiful. I already tried these before I turned the camera back on. These mugs are amazing. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. Top it off with the capers on them. Yeah. Capers one time. Ooh. Yeah. And that right there is how you do stuffed chicken with roasted Brussels sprouts and red potatoes. It's your girl Chef K. It's the world's coolest chef. You already know where you at, and you better be back next week, because I'm gonna be back next week. Oops.